Between July 25th and 29th, 2025, parts of Sichuan province in southwest China were once again hit by severe torrential rainfall, triggering a new wave of landslides across one of the country's most geologically fragile regions. Relentless rain overwhelmed the landscape, saturating hillsides and leading to sudden collapses. Massive debris flows cut off roadways, damaged infrastructure, and forced evacuations in multiple counties. Among the hardest-hit areas were Luding County, Leibo County, and parts of Yan and Ganzi prefectures. In some zones, weekly rainfall totals exceeded 200 millimeters, pushing already unstable slopes past their tipping points. These areas had previously been flagged as high risk by Sichuan's provincial geological monitoring systems. One of the most significant events occurred on the morning of July 27th in Luding County, where days of continuous rain culminated in a powerful landslide. At around 7:30 a.m., a waterlogged slope gave way near National Highway G318, a key transportation artery linking Sichuan to Tibet. An estimated 15,000 cubic meters of rock, mud, and vegetation buried roughly 70 meters of highway, halting all traffic and cutting off access to nearby communities. The site had been under close watch, with local authorities issuing warnings as rainfall steadily weakened the clay-rich red rock layers. Thanks to these early warnings, evacuation orders were issued just hours before the collapse. Emergency teams from transport, geology, and fire departments arrived swiftly and established a command post on higher ground. Drones, radar systems, and excavators were deployed to assess the area and clear debris. By evening, responders had created a one-lane bypass and began installing protective mesh and rock anchors to stabilize the surrounding slope. Less than 24 hours later, another large-scale landslide struck Leibo County in the Liangshan Yi Autonomous Prefecture. On the afternoon of July 28th, a steep hillside above Wuyi Township collapsed after 5 straight days of downpours. The slide, approximately 300 meters wide, sent over 20,000 cubic meters of material, some boulders as large as compact cars, crashing down into farmland below. Though no homes were directly hit, emergency evacuations were carried out in the valley downstream. Geological teams later confirmed that stress fractures had been forming in the slope for weeks, with the rain simply accelerating the inevitable failure. Elsewhere across the province, from the Ibian-Yingjing corridor to isolated mountain villages, smaller slides disrupted rural roads, damaged utility lines, and buried agricultural plots. In some locations, roads were impassable for hours, as emergency crews worked overnight to restore access. Advanced disaster monitoring systems played a crucial role in mitigating risk. Tools like real-time rainfall sensors, slope vibration detectors, and drone mapping helped pinpoint danger zones and direct timely responses. Sichuan's disaster response infrastructure has undergone significant development and modernization in recent years, reflecting the region's commitment to reducing the risks posed by natural hazards. As torrential rainfall and landslides struck between July 25th and 29th, provincial authorities acted swiftly. Within just 24 hours of the first major incident, more than 3,000 emergency personnel were deployed across affected zones. These included highly trained geologists, firefighting units, search and rescue teams, and transportation engineers, all working in coordinated shifts to manage the crisis on multiple fronts. To stabilize landslide-prone areas, temporary slope reinforcements were installed using a range of environmentally friendly and rapidly deployable materials. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note: some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe,